Hi there, students. To immolate, a verb. Immolation, a noun, and I guess immolated as an adjective. Okay, to immolate, let's see, the base meaning of this is to destroy something by fire, to burn down. So the building was immolated. Now, very often, to immolate, this has the idea of destroying something by burning, but in a formal ceremony. Let's see, we have this phrase self-immolation. There have been, in the past, there have been a number of cases of Buddhist monks immolating themselves as a protest to what China has been doing in Tibet. Okay, so to immolate. Let's see, this word to immolate can also be used to mean to kill as a sacrifice. But I think that usage is not at all common, and if you use the word immolate or immolation, people are going to understand that something was destroyed by fire. But let's see, I think immolate, it also carries this ceremonial idea of it. So the dead body was immolated on a funeral pyre. Yeah, so it was burned as part of the religious ceremony. So to immolate, to effectively to burn down or to destroy, yes, with fire, but often as a sacrificial or ritual burning. Large numbers of animals were immolated as a sacrifice. There have been many forest fires in Australia this year, and much of the outback has been immolated, has been burned completely, has been completely destroyed by fire. Yeah, so the immolation of this building, I guess a pyromaniac, somebody who likes to commit arson, likes to immolate buildings and other people's property. Yeah, so to kill or to offer as sacrifice to the gods or to something like that. Yeah, but I think immolate, use immolation, the burning of something, to burn something. Okay, so immolation, this is really quite a formal literary verb. I'm going to give it, I think, probably a 7 in formality. Yeah, so to immolate, use it in a semi-formal writing or above. I don't think I would use it even in a semi-formal conversation. And then as to origin, well, this comes from Latin, immolo, I sacrifice, immolatus. Yeah, which comes from Latin in molla, and the molla means flower. And the reason for this is that very often the Romans would cover the sacrificial victim in salted flour. They would put salted flour on the animal, they'd spread it over the animal in order before the sacrifice, and that's where the idea of this phrase to immolate comes from. Okay, so to immolate, to burn, self-immolation as a protest. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Immolate, immolation.